RSI 14 is 85 and the stock is extremely overbought on RSI 14, but may also continue to gain. Some stocks see their best performance while being overbought, but very seldom does RSI remain so high for a long time without short corrections. Risk has therefore increased and larger daily movements can be expected over the next couple of days. High volatility in Vertex Energy stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $1.28, updated on January 22, 2021. Buy or hold candidate since November 17, 2020 gain 166.67%. The Vertex Energy stock price gained 17.43% on the last trading day Friday, January 22, 2021, rising from $1.09 to $1.28, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 23.81% from a day low at $1.05 to a day high of $1.30. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 45.45% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 2 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.05 million. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $1.12, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $1.36 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. Signals and forecast. The Vertex Energy stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $1.10 and 80 cents. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 16, 2020, and so far it has risen 99.91%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Support, risk and stop loss. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.14 and $1.13. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Vertex Energy finds support just below today's level at $1.14. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.13 and $1.10. The stock may move very much during a day volatility and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 25 cents between high and low, or 23.81%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 15.64%. The Vertex Energy stock is extremely overbought on RSI 1485. Normally this may pose a good selling opportunity, but since the stock has broken the trend up, the chance for a major correction due to high RSI is very small, as the stock will find support at the trend broken. Our recommended stop loss, $1.24 minus 3.30%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 85 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 24 days ago. Is Vertex Energy stock a buy? Vertex Energy holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate. Hold or accumulate in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy candidate to a hold accumulate candidate. Current score, 0.000. Predicted opening price for Vertex Energy of Monday, January 25, 2021. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price January 25, 2021. Current price $1.21.